In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add isometric dimensions in AutoCAD. If you create isometric drawings, you've probably noticed that regular dimensions look out of place because their extension lines follow the isometric axes. The goal here is simple. Place a normal aligned dimension first. Then use a quick edit to make those extension lines match the isometric directions so your annotation reads clean and intentional. Start by placing the initial dimension. Go to the Annotate tab and choose Align Dimension or type Dim Aligned in the command line and press Enter. Pick the 2 points along the edge or feature you want to measure. Be precise and then place the dimension line where it's easy to read and interfere with other annotations. Align dimensions are perfect here because they measure the true length along the object, not just horizontally or vertically. Once you see the dimension on screen, you are ready to make it look isometric. Next, activate the Edit tool, type Dim Edit in the command line and press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for an option. Choose Oblique. You can click it in the prompt or simply type O and press Enter. The oblique option is what lets you skew the dimensions extension lines so they line up with isometric angles, giving that professional, consistent isometric appearance. When prompted, select the dimension you just placed and press Enter. This tells AutoCAD exactly which dimension to modify. Take a quick look to ensure you selected the correct one. If you grab the wrong dimension by accident, you can always repeat the command. Now enter the angle that matches your isometric axis. The common choices are 30, -30, or 330, 90, or 150 degrees. Use 30 degrees for the axis that leans up and to the right, 150 degrees for the axis that leans up and to the left, and 90 degrees for vertical elements. If your geometry runs down and to the right, -30 or 330 will align with that direction. Type the angle and press Enter. You'll see the extension lines snap into alignment with the chosen isometric axis, and the dimension will sit naturally within the isometric view. If something looks off, don't worry, run Dim Edit again with Oblique and try a different angle, or use Undo and repeat. Keep your angles consistent across the drawing for a clean, readable result and place each dimension where it won't overlap geometry or other notes. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.